Hey, what's going on guys? It's Tota coming back at you with another AirPod video. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these FairPod version 3 AirPods Pro replicas. If you want to get one, the link is gonna be in the description. And also, I'm gonna be giving a pair of these away like I do in every video. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment anything you want. With all that said, let's get started with the review. Alright, great. So we go ahead and unbox the package right here using our handy knife that we always use, I guess. Alright, so that just came off pretty easily. Now, going and continuing on to the package here. So, as we can see, I guess, yeah, it's very close to the original Apple package from the start. You see no differences. There is actual shape there. You can feel it up like the original AirPods. The logos are there. And also the writing. Everything feels good, genuine. Nothing really to add up. Everything's great, basically. Very close to the original. So, moving on to opening the package right here. Alright, great. So we're greeted by the signed by Apple in California text, and it looks normal, like the real one should do. And yeah, it's very, very similar. There's not really any difference. Let's try to take it out and see. Yeah, basically same as original. The AirPods Pro, the same manuals, basically no difference at all. And I don't even pay attention to this because you're not gonna use it more than when opening it up. So yeah. And here we have the buds themselves, the AirPods Pro replicas. Let's try to get them out. Yeah, alright. So here they are. Alright guys, in the next shot, I'm gonna go more in detail about these. Alright guys, so there we go. I just came back to you because it's annoying to open it sometimes. So I just did the hard work and now you guys see the unboxing. So here we have the actual pair. It looks indeed very close to the original. In dimensions it's really 1-to-1. You see the shape there, it's like it's exactly the same. You have the Apple writing in the back as you see there. And yeah, they have the reverse magnet, so it doesn't close by itself, which is how the original ones are. And yeah, I don't see any difference at all actually there. So they've got the exterior case to be 100% like the original. Let's try to open it up, and yeah, it has also the Apple writing under the hinge. It's actually really, really good. Alright guys, so moving on to the rest of the box right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. And yeah, we're basically greeted by the charging cable right here. I wouldn't actually trust these charging cables. I would recommend to use the original Apple charging cable. It's much more stable than this. Heading on to the ear tips. Alright, oh, this was always, oh my god, yeah, okay. So, yeah, these are the old style ear tips, and that's really disappointing, guys. But the thing is, I'm reviewing the old version of these AirPod Pros. The new updated version has actually been released, and you will get them with the updated ear tips. So that's just on my pair, guys. You don't have to worry about that. You're gonna get the updated ones when you purchase yours. So don't worry about that. You can go to FairPod's website and you will see the actual ear tips. It's just my pair because I got the old one. Alright guys, so continuing on with the AirPods themselves, the feel is actually really, really close. It feels the original AirPods. They fixed the hinge side on the back. It's like bigger, like more close to the original. And we have the text right there. Let's take them out. And yeah, the stamp is very close too. You see they have the white thing, the white charging, and the ear tips have been corrected this time. They're 1-to-1, exactly like the original. And we have there, that's only a sticker. It's not like a vent like the original ones, but we will eventually get there soon. Uh, let's try to take them out right now. It's kind of difficult. All right, so there we go, guys. Taking them on, just fine. Here we have them without the ear tips, and they've actually corrected this time. It's a one-to-one, exactly like the original AirPods. This is how it's supposed to look like. Basically a black diffuser if you want to call it, and they're very, very easy to put back on, as you can see. Super simple, very close to original. Good job, AirPods, for getting this right. Alright guys, so continuing on, we're gonna show the pop function here. Now, let's just head on with the connect. Exactly, and now we just have to hold the button in the back, and that's gonna go into pairing mode for us, as you can see right now. So now it's gonna show the Apple AirPods Pro, the notification things, and yeah, it's like the original. I don't want to focus too much on this thing because every rep has this pop-up nowadays. It's pretty standard, but it looks very cool, not the least, and it's very close to original. There goes my notification. So yeah, I just want to tell you that it connects like any other rep, basically. Alright guys, so here we go to the more important stuff here that not every rep AirPod has, which is the name change feature. So let's try this out actually. Let's change the name to, let's see, let's write AirPods. Alright, yeah, right. Let's see, done. Alright, that changed the name of it, works perfectly fine. Transparency mode. Uh, Yeah, I don't quite hear the difference. No noise cancellation either. So there is no transparency mode and noise cancellation on my pair, even though you should get it yourself because they have updated their reps right now. So you should get the real transparency mode, but not on this pair that I have right now. You should get it if you order. Let's try the ear tip fit test. Yeah, that works exactly like the original. You get the good seal text message and you hear the sounds very close. Nothing really to mention there. Alright guys, so continuing on with the sound. Now I won't actually be able to prove the sound here because yeah, you can't hear what my ears are hearing, but the sound is actually really good as I'm noticing. It's like more on the bass side and yeah, it's pretty normal, not as good as the originals, but it's very close. Alright, I've just taken them out and the music has paused as you can see, so that function works great. Let's put them back and they play on. The sound is not 100% the same, but it's like 70-60% the same as the original AirPods. Nothing to worry about there. Yeah, basically. Other than that, very good sound for a price. I don't think that's lacking anything, to be honest. Alright guys, so to finish off this review, I would rate these AirPod replicas a 9 out of 10 because sound quality was really good, packaging was great, and the looks are very identical. I also want to mention that FairPods will be providing a real working transparency mode when ordering these now, and also lifetime warranty included. Link is going to be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to tell you that if you enjoy these videos, I'm going to be uploading from now new replica videos every week. Hit that subscribe button down below, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.